this tutorial, I will show you how to recover deleted Facebook messages in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. Open any of the browser and go to facebook.com and log into your account. Then click on these three lines. Now scroll to the bottom. Then click on settings and privacy. And then click on settings. Now click on account center. Here click on your information and permission. Now click on export your information. Then click on create export. Select your Facebook profile. Then click on export to device. Now click on customize information and click on clear all. Then select messages. Now scroll down and clear all for all sections. Then click on save. Now click on date range and select your date range. Then click on save. After this, click on media quality. Now as you are downloading messages, select lower quality. By selecting this, your data will be downloaded soon. Then click on save. Now scroll down and click on start export. Enter your Facebook password, then click on continue. Now wait for a while, and when your export will be ready, click on download. Again click on download and enter your Facebook password. Then click on continue. Now click on the zip file you have been downloaded recently. Then click on export and then click on done. Now open the file of your specific chat and you will see all messages of that chat. So that's how you can recover deleted Facebook messages in just few easy steps.